Absorb. Absorb. Meaning: take in or soak up. This sponge is made of a fully absorptive material. The lotion is easily absorbable by the skin. Related words: soak, assimilate, consume, engross, absorbance, dampen. Dampen. Meaning: make slightly wet. The negative feedback from her boss did not dampen her enthusiasm for the project. The rainy weather seemed to dampen everyone's spirits at the picnic. Related words: moisten, soak, deaden, dip. Dip. Meaning: lower briefly. I like to dip my fries in ketchup. I prefer to swim in a dip pool rather than a deep pool. Related words: plunge, immersion, snack, sauce, dunk, drench. Drench. Meaning: soak thoroughly. The sudden storm drenched us in rain. The kids drenched each other with water guns. Related words: soak, saturate, immerse, extinguish. Extinguish. Meaning: to put out a fire or light. The fire extinguisher is for use on small fires only. Don't forget to extinguish the candles before you go to bed. Related words: douse, smother, quench, hydrate. Hydrate. Meaning: to supply water or fluid to keep the body healthy. It's important to stay hydrated during hot weather. Using a good moisturizer can help maintain hydrated skin. Related words: moisture, electrolytes, water. Marinate. Marinate. Meaning: soak in flavor. I like to marinate my meat overnight for the best flavor. The recipe calls for the chicken to marinate in the sauce for at least 2 hours. Related words: soak, brine, infuse, moisten. Moisten. Meaning: make slightly wet. Be sure to moisten the soil before planting the seeds. He moistened the towel before wiping down the kitchen counter. Related words: dampen, saturate, hydrate, drench. Oil. Oil. Meaning: a viscous liquid. I use vegetable oil for cooking instead of animal-based fats. Mineral oil is often used in cosmetic products and as a lubricant. Related words: petroleum, lubricant, OPEC, drilling, spill, permeate. Permeate. Meaning: to spread throughout. The aroma of fresh bread permeated the air. The sunlight permeated through the leaves of the trees. Related words: infiltrate, penetrate, pervade, saturate. Saturate. Meaning: soak completely. The soil was heavily saturated after several days of rain. The cloth was deeply saturated with water. Related words: imbue, soak, drench, slobber, slobber. Meaning: drool. The baby was slobbering all over their bib. She slobbered over the actor, hanging his poster on the bedroom wall. Related words: drool, salivate, slaver, dribble, souse, souse. Meaning: soak in liquid. The pickles were souse in pickle juice for added flavor. The fruit was souse in alcohol to make a festive treat. Related words: marinate, pickle, brine, splash, splash. Meaning: cause liquid to scatter. The children loved to splash water in the pool. The app had a catchy splash screen with the company logo. Related words: drip, spray, splatter, spray, spray. Meaning: a liquid blown or driven through the air in tiny drops. She used hairspray to keep her curls in place. He used a spray bottle to water the plants. Related words: mist, aerosol, dust, spritz, spritz. Meaning: spray lightly. I added a citrus spritz to my water for some extra flavor. She used a hair spritz to tame her unruly curls. Related words: spray, misting, squeeze bottle, submerge, submerge. Meaning: immerse completely. The scuba divers explored the underwater caves. He decided to submerge the vegetables in boiling water to blanch them. Related words: drown, immerse, plunge, wet, wet. Meaning: covered or saturated with water or another liquid. We canceled our outdoor plans due to the wet weather. I need to change as my clothes are wet from the rain. Related words: moist, soaked, drenched, soggy, damp. Which of the following word means to spread throughout? The answer is D. Permeate. What is the meaning of the word splash? The answer is C. Cause liquid to scatter. What is the meaning of the word extinguish? The answer is D. To put out a fire or light. Which of the following word means drool? The answer is C. Slobber. What is the meaning of the word marinate? The answer is B. Soak in flavor. What is the meaning of the word dampen? The answer is D. Make slightly wet. Which of the following word means to put out a fire or light? The answer is D. Extinguish. What is the meaning of the word Spritz? The answer is D. Spray lightly. Which of the following word means spray lightly? The answer is C. Spritz. What is the meaning of the word submerge? The answer is D. Immerse completely. Which of the following word means make slightly wet? The answer is B. Dampen. What is the meaning of the word permeate? The answer is D. To spread throughout. What is the meaning of the word drench? The answer is D. Soak thoroughly. Which of the following word means soak completely? The answer is D. Saturate. Which of the following word means covered or saturated with water or another liquid? The answer is A. Wet. What is the meaning of the word saturate? The answer is B. Soak completely. What is the meaning of the word wet? The answer is A. Covered or saturated with water or another liquid. Which of the following word means make slightly wet? The answer is D. Moisten. What is the meaning of the word absorb? The answer is A. Take in or soak up. What is the meaning of the word slobber? The answer is D. Drool. What is the meaning of the word dip? The answer is A. Lower briefly. What is the meaning of the word spray? The answer is A. A liquid blown or driven through the air in tiny drops. Which of the following word means immerse completely? The answer is A. Submerge. Which of the following word means a liquid blown or driven through the air in tiny drops? The answer is D. Spray. Which of the following word means soak in liquid? The answer is A. Souse. Which of the following word means cause liquid to scatter? The answer is D. Splash. What is the meaning of the word hydrate? The answer is A. To supply water or fluid to keep the body healthy. Which of the following word means a viscous liquid? The answer is D. Oil. Which of the following word means soak thoroughly? The answer is C. Drench. Which of the following word means take in or soak up? The answer is D. Absorb. What is the meaning of the word moisten? The answer is D. Make slightly wet. Which of the following word means to supply water or fluid to keep the body healthy? The answer is B. Hydrate. What is the meaning of the word oil? The answer is B. A viscous liquid. Which of the following word means lower briefly? The answer is C. Dip. What is the meaning of the word souse? The answer is B. Soak in liquid. Which of the following word means soak in flavor? The answer is D. Marinate.